Hello everyone, this is Brady with Lewis Motor Company, and today we're taking a look at our 2009 Dodge Ram 5500 mechanic service truck. This truck has a Cummins turbo diesel and an automatic transmission. It's in really nice shape overall for the miles. It's showing just under 203,000 original miles. We've got a very nice utility body. Cab's in good shape, no major rust, no major damage. Everything on this truck appears to be in overall good condition, with the exception of some light, wear and tear. Take a look inside. Just regular crank windows, vinyl floors, vinyl seats. Just a work truck, but inside of here is very nice. It's clean. No rips or tears in the seats. As you can see, the floor's in good shape. Heat and air, AM, FM radio. We'll start it up here. For miles, we got 202,916 miles at the time of this video. Cummins turbo diesel starts right up. These are great engines, long lasting. Again, just basic in here, nothing crazy, just crank windows. Got overhead display there, tells you your temperature and probably some other things. It does have a PTO, which I just activated. The switch for the air compressor down there. Parking brake does need to be engaged, but you can hear the compressor working. Functions as it should. Utility boxes are in good condition. No major rust in the floors. Very clean inside here. A lot of storage. Is a big box. I think at some point this thing may have had a crane, or it's set up to have a crane. And it's just in nice shape. Very, very solid floors. These boxes appear to be almost unused. They're in good shape. All these tires are in good shape. Plenty of tread remaining. You have some shelves in the back here. Truck has had some paint work. Looks good, but there's obvious signs of paint work. It came in, it was just a little scratched up, dinged up. We took care of most of it. Wasn't wrecked or anything crazy. But in the back here, we've got a towing hitch, receiver, and wiring. Did a nice bedliner material on the exterior step here, and some bedliner material on the floor there. Inside the boxes is in good shape. It's not all beat up. Sometimes there's rust in here, but this one's very solid. We have rear box locks here. Slide those back and forth. This is how we got the truck. It was set up with the air compressor and the PTO. I do believe that it was set up for a crane at some point. Take a look inside this box here. We've got controls for a number of lights. You can see had some crane hours at some point. Some stuff for the compressor. We've got a hose reel. Truck's set up nicely. You're looking to I locked the box, but you're looking to just do mechanical work. Probably look about installing a crane back on this truck. But the truck's very presentable. It goes down the road as it should. Shifts through all the gears. The motor sounds good. It's got plenty of power. Take a look at the frame and underside here. Definitely not a northern truck. It's got virtually no surface rust or anything showing on the frame. It's in really, really nice shape. Very solid, no rot. And again, this cab's in good shape. No major dings and dents. Just average wear and tear, but overall very presentable. This truck's clean and presentable. It does have a little bit of mileage, but it does go down the road as it should. Motor starts up every time as it should. Transmission feels strong. This truck's ready to rock and roll. You can find it for sale on eBay. Feel free to give me a call, shoot me a message. Happy to help you with it. And you can ship this truck throughout the United States. I'd like to give you a quote on that, so give me a call. Thanks for watching.